good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So, guys, I'm walking along, and I am about to get my chocolate massage. I have no idea what a chocolate massage is, but I am definitely about to find out. I'm gonna have a leg massage, so stay tuned and join me. And yeah, guys, I'll give you my honest opinion about how it is to have a chocolate massage. Ooh. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm back. It was a nice massage, but I must say, I had made an appointment, and so when I got there, we were about to start, and then another lady walked in, and then she wanted to get her hair cut real quick. And unfortunately, the place where I went to, she's only one person, so and because the haircut would be a lot quicker, although I don't know if it was quicker, I would say it's the same amount of time if you ask me, because I waited at least maybe a half an hour. But she explained to me, really nice lady, she explained to me the reason why she wanted to take on this customer is because her next door neighbor also has a hair cuttery, and she didn't want to send the customer over there because they got a little something going on. I mean, not romance wise, but a little bit of a, okay, let me take this customer before she goes next door. So, I mean, I could understand that. And I was really nice. I was like, yeah, go ahead, take your time. I totally, I understand you. You're a woman, and she's got to hustle. But on the same token, I'm like, okay, I don't know. I made a nice experience. So as far as the massage is concerned, at the end, another customer was coming, and so was already like, okay, here you go, and all right, and on to the next person. So I would say I would have liked if the experience would have been a little bit longer. Um, okay, not necessarily. Okay, the service is anyway 25 minutes, meaning longer. Like the, I don't know. I felt kind of rushed out, if that makes any sense. Although I know, it's probably the same when you go to the nail studio, but I guess the difference when you go to the nail studio is you kind of know that it's going to be, you get your nails real, quick, because most people want to get in there and get out when you get your nails done. I assume, for me personally, with massages, because it's for me more personal, and also it was my first experience. That's the first time I went and had a paid massage. Now I've done it. I mean, I've been to is it chiropractor who does that? Oh gosh, guys, forgive me. Whoever does the massages, and you do it out of physical therapy because maybe you hurt yourself. I've done something like that, but to actually go and have a massage paid for and have a special service done, it was my first time. So, yeah, I guess for me it's a little bit more personal because I'm allowing this person to touch my body, and I'm paying for it. So maybe I don't know, maybe the farewell could have been a little bit more, I don't know. I wouldn't say longer. I don't know, guys. Maybe it's me. I just felt like a little bit rushed out. It's sometimes when you go to the doctor's office. I mean, especially over here in Germany, I don't like to feel rushed out. Especially, I feel like I'm put into like, okay, let me hurry before the next person comes, which I understand in one sense because I know you know, you're trying to hurry up and get as many customers in. But as I'm older, I really do pay attention to quality more or less so than how much something costs. I mean, I do believe you get what you pay for. So I don't know. The price category was good. I paid €25 for 25 minutes. So it's not a lot. I guess not. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know what massages normally cost, but I don't know. I just feel like maybe to, sit there and take my time, would put my stuff on, and then, to come out gracefully, if that makes any sense. I felt like, okay, let me put my shoes on and hurry up and get on out of here because maybe she's got another customer coming up who wants to also come in the back. I know she had a nail customer, in front. I don't know. Maybe it's me overdoing it. Yeah, drop a comment below. I would love to hear you all's experience and how is it for you? Do you also expect a little bit more, a little bit more of a space as far as turnover, leaving, if that makes any sense? Not sure if I'm explaining myself right, but I don't like to feel rushed out of things or feel rushed on, you know, because I am a paying customer, and if the service is good, I will say faithful. I will come back and back and back and back and back and back. But if I have the feeling that, I don't know. And I think that's the thing when you're in a business, when you're offering services, one has to, you should pay attention to, I think most people earn due to return business. So if you're giving good business, people will return. I understand this is a tourist island and people come and go, but this is a tourist island, but I am one of those islands. I don't really consider myself as a tourist anymore. I consider myself part residential because I am a returning customer. I do have the places that I go to frequently, and even though I'm still probably considered somewhat a tourist, but I do return, and I only return if I feel really good and that I feel like, okay, this person took time out for me. It wasn't a rush feeling, and yeah, I think, yeah, that's what I want to get at. I just want to feel like I'm also taken as important, and I'm sympathetic, or I have empathy when I see that, okay, I know people need to earn because due to what happened for the last 3 years, I know a lot of businesses went out of business or they suffered. So now it's just about, okay, recovering what has been lost. And I totally get it. But like I said, I'm more of a quality person than more so um, going to places where I save money. Then I prefer to pay a little bit more to that person takes a little bit more time. And yeah, that I get the service and that I get there on time, that I get into something and get out, because even though I'm a tourist, I still got plans and I got other things to tend to. But however, I thought I would drop a comment or drop a comment. I thought I would share that experience, but nonetheless, my skin feels baby soft. And if you're okay with that, if you're okay with, snap, right, quick in, quick out, that's okay. I can do that for the nails, quick in and quick out, as long as I know the price isn't overpriced. If I know the price is kind of, not that expensive, and, then of course you're going to get this hurry up, come in, hurry up, go out. Maybe that's what I was at today. Hurry, come in, hurry, go out. Next time, I think I'm going to up the level a bit. But anywho, guys, yes. Okay, there's more to come. So stick around and, yeah, drop a comment, like I said. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And, yeah, that was a chocolate massage. The chocolate, the material that she used smelled really like chocolate, and it looked like pudding. And it felt really nice. And afterwards, it kind of peels off, and then she'll scrub it down. I think it was like a 2-minute scrub down, washing it off. And then she puts a little cream on it, and your skin is like baby soft. So my skin I feel like a newborn baby. So in that aspect, it was really good. So I think you can always find something positive. And the lady was really sweet, and nothing against her. I know she's by herself, but I don't know if I can give her a good feedback if she ever comes across this video. maybe it wouldn't hurt to have a little bit of help, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Try to solve it that, people can get in and then, take their appointment and not have to wait. And then, yeah, also take that time out to be like, instead of jumping over to the next, maybe how did you like the service? Maybe if you can take the time out, that would be kind of cool. If people see that you want to enhance your service, maybe that can also be a help. But however, okay, I'm babbling. All right, guys. Yeah, subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. I am being somewhat steady in uploading my videos. So, yeah, and then don't forget to put on that notification bell so you are aware when I upload a video, guys. Anywho, okay, see you later. This day isn't over. The day is still young. Okay, don't go nowhere.